Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV T5 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Once that's the case for you, depending on which one obviously capture, just make sure that whatever you do want to capture is visible right now. And once it is, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You have a flash and then a pop-up with edit and tag, or not tag, share option visible, and after a moment, as you can see, it just disappears. Once it does so, you can find the screenshot that I've captured or any other ones in your Photos application. And we're going to navigate to Library. And here you will see a new folder or album called Screenshots, which obviously will contain all the screenshots that I have captured over the time. Now one of them is obviously the one that I have just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.